This is 𝗘𝗥𝗢𝗢𝗠 calling. This is 𝗘𝗥𝗢𝗢𝗠 calling.
For 73 years, the RMN Network has been here, informing, entertaining, serving, and inspiring. This milestone is about our audience and their communities. Every story we tell, every hour on the air, is made for you, by you, in the language you know and love. That's what makes us hyper-local, and that's what keeps us close. Thank you for choosing the RMN Networks as your radio station. We're here to serve today, tomorrow, and for 73 years and beyond.
Thank you.